Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a watermark to your videos on CapCut PC. So grab your video and place it there to like your project obviously, and then just go to text here. Then add in your watermark, or you can add in your watermark like via media, I guess, if it's like a photo, if it's like a logo. I'm just going to type in watermark. Again, you can add your logo in, or you can change the font. You can adjust the font size here as well. You can add maybe like a shadow if you'd like to it, or a stroke or whatever. Adjust the opacity maybe. Once you're done, you can go back to the opacity section and then kind of adjust the like opacity to the watermark. Maybe it looks better without the shadow. Or you can create compound clip and then add like some other blend modes to it, but it's pretty much up to you like how you want the watermark to be, if you want it super visible or not. But that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.